Don't go there.
Okay.
I'm fine, I'm fine. Okay. We are experiencing high wind and we are advised to leave the park. Hey guys, this is Rohit Farmer and welcome to Outdoorsy Indians. So I'm back to the Assateague Island in the national park area with a group.
I'm serious, this is the pro one.
And initially we decided to camp in one of the backcountry site, and instead of backpacking we decided to do paddle camping. So we'll paddle on the bay and reach to the campsite, but because of the shutdown the ranger office is closed and we couldn't get the permit. So now we are going to do a group camping on the beach, but and during the daytime we will just do paddling. So that's our start point. It's called Ferry Landing. These are all our kayaks and paddle boards, and that's our team. All right, so we are heading off and I had to make some changes. I thought I would do the stand-up paddleboard, but instead I'm doing the sit-on kayak because it was too windy, and also I first removed the fin thinking that it's not very deep water, so it might drag on the floor, but then I was not able to maneuver or track this paddleboard properly, so I put the fin on. There is still a danger that it might still drag on the floor, so I'll have to be careful and paddle on a bit deep side of the bay, and also put on my rain pants because as you can see there's a bit of an overcast and it might rain, and more than that I'm too close to the water while sitting on my paddleboard and using it as a sit-on kayak, so I thought it might just be helpful and not get too wet. So we are thinking to go and check out the campsite, the backcountry campsite where we were supposed to camp. So we are not gonna camp there, but we can go and see that place and then return and then camp at the beach. Nope, it's a dead end. Yeah. Who has the map?
Where's the map?
Where's the map?
I thought you had the map.
It's very windy. Let me fold this back. Oh my god, it's so hard to. Okay, I'm gonna put it over there, push myself off this. Oops. Trying to figure out the route. One of us may need to stand up. Okay. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Oh, this wind is just pushing me sideways. I'm gonna bump into you. Uh-oh. Oopsie. Oh my god. These waters are really difficult. fear is, I hope that's not a dead end. Is oh, okay. I think that looks fine. Oh, come on! Don't go there. Ah,
Okay.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, I'm fine. Yeah. This, yes, I know. This is just pushing this so bad. Oh, everything is dirty. Oh, this area is quieter and it's also deeper, so that's good. That's good for all our boats. Yeah, I didn't want to fall in the water, but that's okay. I'm wearing waterproof pants and jacket, I mean rainproof, so they protected me a little bit. But yes, these are not dry suits, so water did go inside. I'm not feeling cold, that's a good thing. Okay, my pants are all wet. We are trying to go to the backcountry site where we were supposed to camp, but given the wind and the choppy waves, I don't know if we all be able to make it. We may just paddle in the area a little bit and then decide to go back. It's very quiet, it's very peaceful. Well, there's a storm warning, so it could be the quiet and peace that comes before a storm. Alright, even though my plan to paddle and camp is not working out, I will put the link to a video from another YouTuber who actually did this. He also started from the same launch site from where we started, and then he kayaked all the way to the backcountry site where we wanted to go. So if you guys are interested, you can check that video out, and it's not that hard actually. If the weather is nice and you have the right equipment, you can paddle on the bay and reach to the backcountry site and camp there instead of walking on the sand. The one thing that you need to keep in mind, no freshwater source on the backcountry site, so you have to carry all the fresh water for drinking and cooking yourself, either on your backpack or on your kayak. So we actually came prepared to do all that, but we couldn't get this permit because of the shutdown, and that's why we can't camp. So we are just hanging out and chilling. And I actually brought two 35-liter dry bags along with a boogie board that I thought I would just tow behind my paddle board with some extra water on it. Oh, birds, please don't go. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, and I'm really happy that despite all the challenges, I'm here on the bay on my paddle board. It's fun, it's a unique experience, and I'm glad that I could experience it. Birdie. Okay, we're going to that beach and probably try to get down off our boats and check it out. Okay, let's go to the beach. And soon my fin gonna hit the floor. Yep. It has already hit the floor. So time for me to get down. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I think my boat is not gonna go anywhere. We should have brought our camp stove and make chai here.
Ah, that would be nice.
Alright, we are on the beach. Okay, so we left the beach and now we are heading back to the launch site. Do you want to circle around that small island? Let's go. So we are heading to this small island. We'll just circle around it before we head back to the parking lot. And that will be the end of our paddling today. We'll go back to the campsite. Our check-in is at noon and right now it's 11:52, so by the time we'll pack up it will be our check-in time, so we can start setting up our camp. I do not know if we'll return to the water again either in the evening or tomorrow, but I hope we'll have a lot of fun at the camp. Everybody in this group is fun and I'm having a great time. I don't know if this tiny island gets submerged during high tide, but right now it looks cool. Okay, so far no bugs, and that's probably a good thing because this island can be really buggy, especially on the Bayside, but because it's a bit cold, there are no bugs. I haven't experienced any bugs so far. Some people are falling behind. Let's go and see if they need any help. Somebody needs rescue. Let's see if I can tow her.
Are you going to tow me?
Yeah, I'll try. Yeah, I mean, you can use this thing leash.
Yeah.
Let me help. Okay, let's hold it.
Oh my god, I'm going the wrong way.
Okay, let's see if it works.
I'll be paddling too hard.
Yeah.
Working too hard, not getting anything.
Yeah, no problem. We are against the current. I'll see if I can pull you with this leash. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Is it helping?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the second time I'm towing someone with my ankle leash. Let's go and check out horses. A bit closer view. This is actually a nice area to paddle. It's more like a lake.
Yeah.
Also big enough. Sai, can you take a photo of me?
Of course.
So this is what this island is famous for. Horses, wild horses. See all those car people? Yeah, they're missing out.
Give us better view from the water. Yeah, I agree. Sheen is man-made. Sheen, the store?
Oh, that horse is looking straight at me. Okay, so we are heading back now to the launch side, and I'm back to this channel where I fell, and that's where I dropped my selfie stick, I think. And right now the water is calmer than it was before. That's the launch site. Okay, one of our teammates are already there. Despite the weather, it was a good paddle experience. It was very different from paddling on the lakes, so I loved it. I will return and try to do that backcountry camping, but for now I think this was a good enough experience. It's more than what I was expecting for given the weather forecast, and it's good to be with a group. We had some great moments together. Alright, so this is our group campsite, and our camp is ready, more or less. It's very windy, so somehow we managed to pitch our tents. This is my tent. So this is the national park area of the Assateague Island, and we are on the beach. So these are the group campsites, and we are literally on the beach. This is going to be our cooking station because it's so windy. That's my new bear canister. It's from REI. MSR pocket rocket. I'm going to check out the beach now. We have started cooking our dinner. It's so windy that we have to make some arrangements so that we can let the stove running. I don't know if the situation is going to get worse at night or it will be better. I have already made some space in my car so that if it gets worse, I can quickly move in my car. It's not too cold, but it's really, really windy, and that's what's bothering everybody. Hey, that's the Atlantic Ocean behind me. Oh, the waves look scary. I'm not gonna go into the water anyway. Pocket rocket too, which is trying its best to boil 2 cups of water, 3 cups of water actually. That's our camp chef.
Yeah, baby!
What are we cooking tonight?
We are cooking coconut curry tofu with lots of veggies.
Lots of veggies.
Healthy food.
That's our official wood chopper.
Victoria's Secret is burning. It's as hot as the models. That's its army's working.
So we have a wind advisory, and if it gets too bad, then we may have to move out and empty our campsite. But we are still here, and we have planned to at least cook our dinner, eat it, and then decide if it is still safe to stick around or leave, or maybe sleep in the car. I think, yeah. That's our food, cooked by Awesome Sasanka. started raining, so we have to quickly finish our dinner. So we are experiencing high wind and we are advised to leave the park, or at least pack things down. So we are now packing our tents and putting in the car. We may sleep in the car and wait for the situation to get better, or otherwise we'll just leave. So we have just finished dinner and now we have all started packing our tents and everything, and just put it in the car as soon as we can. Okay, so I'm in my car and we are now leaving the campsite because there's a storm coming and we are asked to leave the island. So we are now driving back home, and first I thought that I can sleep in the car, so I tried to set it up, but now we have decided to just leave and go home. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.